Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Unit 1 Blossoms 1. Find the odd one out in each row in terms of the vowel sound from textbook. Children, here is an activity. Circle the odd one in terms of the vowel sound. S, can, man, van, lid, fan. S. Circle the odd one you have done correctly. Circle the odd one in terms of vowel sound. Your time starts now. Hen, dog, pen, ten, den. S. S. Correct. Absolutely correct. Then the next O. Book, bun, run, sun, fun. Your time starts now. Yes, you did it. Then the next. Observe the pictures and observe the sound. Bat, cat, rat, fox, match. S. S. The odd one is fox. Circle the odd one in terms of the vowel sound. Cap, tap, run, map and nap. Your time starts now. S. You done very well. Oh, stay tuned for more updates like this. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.